Hi, how are you today? Today we're going to make some ice cream. So first of all, we need to get our ingredients together. You're going to need some Ziploc bags, and I've got one that's a bit bigger than the others, so I've got two small and one big Ziploc bag, and that just means that they seal up at the top like this. We're going to need some ice, so I've got a bowl of ice, and that's to help make the ice cream. We're going to need 1 cup of half and half, and I've already filled mine up already, so here it is in my cup measure. We're going to need some vanilla essence and a teaspoon to measure it out with, some salt, and I've already put mine in my quarter cup here, and some sugar, and we want a tablespoon of sugar. We don't want to get the salt and sugar mixed up because that would make yucky ice cream. So to get started, we're going to open our bag, one of our small ones, and we're going to pour in our half and half. So we're going to pour that into the bag. You have to be careful you don't spill it. Put that one over here for washing. And then we're going to add our tablespoon. Remember, a tablespoon is a little bit bigger than one we eat our dessert with. So there's a tablespoon of sugar. So we're going to put that in the bag. And then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So we're going to measure out our vanilla onto our teaspoon to be gentle with it. And when it's full up, we're going to pour it into our bag like that. And then we're going to seal up our bag so that there's no air in it. So make sure that you press it from the middle here so there's no air left, so that when you do a lap, it's not all bubbly. So there's our bag, and we're going to put that inside another bag. We're going to put our first bag inside another bag. And we're going to do the same. Make sure there's no air in it so it doesn't make a big bubble. There we have our half and half in our bag, ready to make our ice cream. So now we have our half and half in our 2 bags, and we're going to add some ice into our big bag. So we're going to pour our ice into our bag like that. Then we're going to add our quarter cup of salt into our bag of ice. So once we've added our little bag inside, we're going to add some more ice on the top, just to make it really nice and cold. And then we're going to seal the bag up. So we're going to take all the air out like that, and we're going to seal the bag up. Now at this point, you might want to get some gloves because this is going to get very cold, and we're going to shake and jiggle the bag around to make the ice cream. So we're going to do this. Now you might want to get a friend or brother or sister or a parent to help you with this. This is going to take about 5 or 6 minutes for this to get really nice and ice cream. How did you do mixing your ice cream? Is it all runny like this in the bottom? The ice might have melted a little bit, but hopefully we've made some yummy ice cream inside. So now we've got to this point, we're going to take off our gloves and we're going to open our bag. Now you might need a parent to help you with this because we want to take out the inside bag, and we're going to throw this one away so that we don't get water everywhere. So I'm going to put that in the sink. And then I'm going to take out my inside bag, and I'm just going to run it under cold water just for a minute to take away the salty taste from the outside. And then I'm going to get my spoon, and I'm going to spoon it into my ice cream cup. You can share this with your friends if they helped you make it. you can make a yummy sundae or something. And if you've got some left, you could always put it in the freezer for next time. I'm going to get a teaspoon to eat my ice cream with, and I'm going to put some syrup on top. Hope you enjoyed making ice cream with me today. I'll see you next time.